With my setup being mechanically sound, usable, and presentable, and engines tweaked to perfection, I spent a lot of my time straight up playing with trains. But it became clear that at some point, I should probably begin with scenery. Fortunately, Lance Mindeheim's book recommended starting by painting the track. Albeit on hindsight, Lance may have meant to paint the track with a spray can and be done with it. I kinda took the long way there. While the switching layout is only 8 feet long, this project took a long time. However, being able to jump in at any time and do a little every day did not make this feel like a marathon, but instead, something to look forward to at the end of the day. I enjoyed experimenting, trying something different, and fixing what didn't look so good. The result is that each sleeper looks nothing like the one next to it. Some are darker, some are lighter, some are horrible, some are great, but all have lost that hideous plastic sheen. Looking back, I think it may be important to ask, was taking this long worth it? I think so. Not only it kept me actively working and playing with my trains, but small, concrete results were achieved every day, no matter how minute my available time was. And at the end of it, they all added up to something that ultimately did get done and looks superb. As Lance points out, a switching layout is about slowing things down. Perhaps that's a philosophical lesson that needs to be applied not just to running trains.